Okay, this is the second part of the walkthrough on the D&T workbook. This is a graphic sheet. It's on symmetry and company logos. So what we have to do on this sheet is you have to identify the company logo, so that's fairly easily, and then you need to draw all lines of symmetry. So using a ruler and a pencil, you would draw a line. So for example, here, the line of symmetry would be down here. So you'd write the name of the company logo here and draw in pen or pencil onto the sheet the line of symmetry. Workshop tools. From September, we will be in our new workshops. These are all tools that you will find in the workshop. So we're just looking at some of the tools that you're going to be using from September. So an example here is this piece of equipment. The name would be steel ruler, and the process would be measuring, drawing straight lines, and marking out. So it's quite simple, just identifying each tool and saying what the tool's called and what the tool does. This second sheet is similar. It's a design and technology continuing from the previous sheet. On this sheet, it has name of tool, picture, what materials do I cut. So here is a list of each of these tools. And for this example, it would be name of tool would be hacksaw. There's the picture of the hacksaw. The materials that it cuts is metals, non-ferrous metals, and plastics. So that would be the answer to that one. There is also a bonus question here, which you can attempt. Resistant materials, marking out materials. When making products before cutting, you need to mark out the shapes accurately. Have a go at these tasks to practice cutting and measuring and marking out. In design and technology, we work in millimeters. For this task, you will need a ruler with millimeter graduations. So there's a ruler. It doesn't need to be a steel ruler, but it does need to be one with millimeters. Okay, so we've got tolerances, a question on tolerances and some on marking out. Now for here, it says the image below is a piece of wood, mark out, place a dot in the center where you would cut a hole through. So to mark the center of any rectangle, as you obviously know, you go with a ruler from this corner to this corner, and then with a ruler from this corner to this corner, and the point that the lines cross would be in the center. So that is the resistant materials marking out sheet. Graphics. This is another graphic sheet, and this sheet is about variable shading from light to dark and blending two colors together. So there is a YouTube clip in the classroom called Color Shading Exercise that will help you with this. For this, you will need colored pencils, and generally the better colored pencils you have, the better they do graduated shading. And we're just shading in these boxes. Watch the YouTube clip in the classroom and just complete this sheet. So that's some more sheets from the Design and Technology workbook that you can attempt.